Let me see. Mm, yep, we're live. Okay. So I guess this is it. Yep. Minimize this one. What's the video today? Hello everyone. So first of all, I went to a very long vacation in Japan, so I couldn't stream that time. So yep, I was away from my work for so long. You know, it's kinda things. I started forgetting things, like for real. I haven't even remembered like what I did last time. I don't know. Yeah, I worked with the point system. So I was probably working on the how to get gizmos for the point system, and uh, I think for this time let's skip this one and focus on our maths programming. I want to continue with Freya as she is teaching Sader's language, so I want to learn that part as well. Also, I want to complete my maths programming as well. I haven't completed the series, so well, what should I do today? Hmm, I should probably. Hmm, give me a second, right? All right. I'm listening to music, so I cannot turn on my desktop audio, probably because I'm getting all the copyrights. So, receiving data stream. So, is it is it okay? Yeah, the RAM is okay. So probably to it over here. No, no, I think it's fine over here. What's the I'm thinking about that. Control Shift M. All right, got you. Hmm. Hmm. What should we watch today? Sebastian League. I'm really inspired by this YouTuber, Sebastian League. He's really good at programming. Game, especially gameplay programming, like he works and research on such things which never existed in Unity. So if you really want to make something really good and if you think these assets will be useful, you can visit Sebastian Lee. So yeah, today we are looking into Freya. Recently, Freya has streamed a lot. If you see live stream, yeah, she was playing Outer Worlds as well. Yeah, I've played this game, if you guys remember. Echoes of the Eye. I really don't know what's that. But yeah, I'll look into it. But yeah, for what should we do today? Hmm, I really wanna do this series, Seder Space Extraction. It's only 3 videos, so we can probably do that, right? But if I'm going to do that, aren't you guys going to get bored? Because there's a lot of lectures going on into this in this basic tutorial she's going to give. So I have to write everything in my notebook as well. So it's going to take some time. Oh, I forgot to mention, yeah, if you're a beginner and learning game programming, you probably need some mathematics, right? And C is best for that. But you can follow this series, Maths for Game Dev 2022, and that's really best course video you can find. Like it's free and it's really useful. Better than paid ones. There's available. This video. Visualization explanation. Intro to old to dev. Hmm. It says in recent. What's the video? So we continue with I'm sorry, with our maths game dev programming. Hmm. Let's start something new because it's been a while. I've touched Unity, so uh, I really don't wanna mess something up today. Uh, Wait a second. Right, I have to do some stuff before launching Unity. I really need to finish some stuff. Wait a second. I cannot show you those stuff. Yeah, notebook. Yep. So yeah, can't you see? Where's my test? Yeah. So, it's 28. One, two, something. Yeah, 20 after 28. It's going to, no, 31 now. 31st, 31st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. All right. This is first, sec, first full. They will be fifth. All right. I would assume it's done. Yep, it's done. So we can continue. So for that, I would probably make a new repository for Cedars programming. I don't want to mess things up. So let's create a repository first. Create new repository. Yep, here we go. Repository name. See this programming in Unity HLSL I labeled Cedars language. Yep, I need this one. Unity Unity. Let's take the MIT one. Let's post it. Let's publish the repository. Definitely Cyrus programming. All right, let's create a new project. It should fit for this. I would suggest Universal 3D. Not here. Not here. Okay. Project. Give me a second, right? It's SHADERS. Oh my god. Let me see. Mm, Yeah, I said to you, oh my god, find it, thank God. Oh, can you do that? So I don't have to post it. Weird. Let me try. Really? Can I do that? Uh, it labs. Mm, I will leave that, to be honest. I really like the GitHub desktop better than, to be honest. Also, yeah, I need to do that. I need to go over here, GitHub, and with the new one, say there's language, git ignore. I need to edit these ones. Yep, this, 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 this. Control S, and it will be all good. See. First, let the project initialize. So, what do you think about my logo? What my friend made? This is going to be something's speed. Hmm. All right, let's continue. Shaders. Yeah, definitely. Give me a second until this. You remember I started working on that isometric zombie project I was working on. I don't know why. Yep, this is unfinished business. We never finished. But it is what it is. Let the time decide what is going to be next move. And oh my god, wait. Let me just turn my repository to public. Forgot to do that. Always. I've got 24 repositories. Uh, yeah, this one. Slot. Is it public or private? Over here, public. Yep. I want to make it public. Yeah. Yeah. So it's public now. Yep. It's public. So yeah, this is it was 2025. It's going to be an year soon. Doesn't it look beautiful? So beautiful. In 2025, it's 2025 was good. Good man, it was good. And 2026, Yeah, definitely, it's going well, but not really well because if you can see, like I've been to June and July, I've been to Japan, and it was quite a vacation I had. But yeah, I was posting some stuff every day when I get time. I was merging all the repositories and everything. So yeah, it was like that. So yeah, about shaders. So I can show you what I've been looking into. So yeah, this is Freya, and I'm looking into the shaders programming to show you because I really want to learn this stuff. I mean, it's really useful for game programmer. By the end of this year, I'm going to work with my friends, so I really want to learn shaders for that. Like, if I can show you some stuff over here, uh, how can you search? More or less, our game stuff we've been actually working on. Wait, let me show you. There's so many stuff. Oh, wait. Uh, yep. So if you can see, like people are working into the assets as well. And my friend Travis is working on 3D works as well. I'll show you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So yep, as you can see, like he's working on a radio. Look at this. Isn't he a good artist? He really is a good artist. This is the stuff he was working on, and it is really fabulous work. Yep, I was showing you this stuff. Yeah, so this was like before. So he generated this image from ChatGPT, and it was like that, but he really wanna tune things up, and he actually made this hood as well. So as you can see, like it's really fine work. So yeah, that's why I'm learning shaders today. So let's continue. So she actually really explained really well. Like you can explain shaders. What is the difference between a texture and a shaders? So shaders is like a programming for a graphics card, GPU you can say, and the textures are more or less like an input. So say the texture says I want this value and that value to my game. So shaders is going to render things according to that input. So that is shaders I've been looking into. Yep, so here. So yep, this is shaders. So the character is doing an attack. He was actually saying and this is all shaders which is going to run real time in your GPU. And these shaders actually contain colliders as well, because this is going to attack the enemy. The colliders will attach to enemy, and it is going to affect the health system into a game. Yep. So these are the impact in effects he's talking about. So you can see like there are some impacts when you hit an enemy. There's will be some impact, so you can show it via shaders, and it's going to give you an immersion to a game. Yeah. So these are all real time. These are all real time render. Yep. Yeah. Also, you can see like there are some particle effects as well near enemy, near our character feeds. These are also shaders. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. So I told you like these can be a single mesh and a collider, like a mesh collider. Mm-hmm. Probably. So I've been thinking a different way to initialize this. Like in Unity, there are some uh, what do you call that? I forgot. Mm, what do you call that? Pulling an object and doing an event. What do you call that? I forgot. Oh my god. Event can be done by pulling an event. Yeah. Observer pattern. Pulling trigger. I forgot, but yeah, definitely that. What do you call it? Let me see. Let me see. Log simulation. So it's going to be here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, over there. Yeah, so these are the things I was talking about. Settings, yeah. So yep. No, not this one. Uh, Scripts, spawner, and yeah, these are the object pulling method, and this can be done. I really forgot Unity. Yeah, these scriptable objects. Oh my God, I forgot the name. So yeah, you can do it by scriptable object or various kind of object. Imagine you have considered all the settings and everything in this game, in your games, and you have fixed all your shaders. Like you can see these shaders. Yeah, I haven't written all this code by myself. I've took some help as well. I've actually kind of learned this from Medium website, and there were some shaders as well. So this is actually a shaders programming technically. Shaders programming also help you to calculate meshes into your CPU, so it can actually boost your performance as well. So yeah, you can see like I'm rendering things in my thread core like 1024, and these are scriptable object. You can use these to pull an object with some specific settings, so you don't have to like create everything. You can create different setting for different objects. I would have probably show you, but I don't want to go to off topic today. Let's continue. Oh, it's, mhm. I see. So say saying like you can, by shaders programming, you can customize everything according to your use case. Yeah, she actually put a really good example I can show you. Like if you can see over here, uh this is my scene actually in our game view. So she actually pulled a multiplier. So if you actually use this multiplier into your screenshot game anywhere, it's going to glow things up, whereas if you are going to use this dividend, it is going to make things a little darker. And this is the alpha blend, which is going to render things on top of each other, on top of your things, like over here as well. Like you can see all these structures of the enemy, and on here like there are some alpha, and this is some multipliers as well. And if you can see over here, like there are some darker areas as well. These are actually dividends. Yeah, I told you this is orange hell over here. Mhm. Multiplicative. Okay, is alpha. Yeah, additive, multiplicative, additive, multiplicative, and alpha. Let me write it on my notebook. I should probably write it. It's going to take some time, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's important. It's multiplicative, additive, and alpha. Oops. So there are three forms of shaders. First one will be additive. Additive. Mm, additive make background glow. It make background glow. Second one is multiplicative. Multi multiplicative. It's it make background dark. And then you have the third type, which is alpha. It is more like an all pixel object. Things on top of something. Okay, we can continue. Oh, sorry. Mm-hmm. Additive alpha. Okay. So look at over here, this example. Uh, did I play it? I'm sorry. So these are refraction she's talking about. So you take a past object and you're going to render the past object, like this object will be here with some time, right? So we are going to take that particular coordinates and we are going to render it like mm, more like an coast over there. Like you can see those effects in many kinds of game like Black Myth Wukong, uh, and yeah, this Final Fantasy obviously. Refraction to distort image. refraction, restore image, replica of past image, replica, past render. Yep. Underwater effects like yep, alpha blended one, additive, alpha blended. Like these are really good particle effects going on in between. Like yeah, so you can see like sea destroying all the mess. Like there is one mess over here as well, like one mess over here as well, one mess over here, here. So these are all. It's more like a box stuff, triangle. Yeah. I'm just explaining these because I don't want you guys to get bored. So that's why I'm explaining this. What I'm learning, I'm also explaining it to you. Yeah. Yeah. Look, you can see she's using, like they are in Final Fantasy, they are using shaders in UI as well. You can use that as well. This is a progress world and they are using shaders. Yep, progress bars, percentage, obviously. Hmm. Sprite seeds. Yep, so there's one example as well, like shadows. These are what? Multiplicative. These are multiplicative shaders which making things darker. Yeah. Subsurface scattering for skins. Let me know what it is. Subsurface scattering. Sub Subsurface scattering. What is this? Mm. when light touches skin of the character, some wavelength of light length of light get absorbed, and if white light is getting absorbed, the blue and green light, blue and green light stays, whereas red light get reflected. Okay, subsurface scattering. Let me search what it is. So subsurface scattering, a visual effect where light enters a translucent object, bounces around inside it, and exit at a different point. So yeah, as you can see, like these is subsurface scattering over here. Like you can see the sunlight actually pierces into our skin, and all the blue and like the sun is white, the light source is actually white, combined of RGB, three colors, and just every wavelength get absorbed, and the blue and green light get absorbed, whereas the red light get reflected after that. So these are some subsurface scattering over this character as well. Like you can see the light source having I really need that pen setting, pen and ink setting. I really need that pen where you actually draw things in your windows. I'll actually set that up tomorrow when we stream. So as you can see, the light source is hitting our character, and the some wavelength of our light actually, piercing through the skin of our characters, and R and B light, sorry, blue and green light get absorbed, whereas red light is getting reflected over here, as you can see in the skin. Yeah, really good stuff. It's really good stuff. Amazed. Sometimes I get amazed how much technology is growing. Mm-hmm. Normal map. Wait a second. Hmm. So yeah, she was actually talking about normal maps. So as you're looking into this character, these are actually she is actually drawing the mess of the character. The character itself is very low poly, but you can see all the details into it. So you can see all the details into the character. It is a normal map is a way to make character very detailed, rather, even though you're not actually making things really detailed. It is more like a performance stuff, right? You don't want your game to be laggy or some kind of thing. So you use low poly assets, but with normal map, you can give them depth. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, so let me write the normal map definition. Normal map is a technique to add depth, depth, more like detail, details to your low poly asset. Performance, it can increase performance definitely. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to take some screenshots for my own practice. I'm going to play some games and I'm going to take some screenshots and I'm going to elaborate those screenshots and try to explain those things, like how things working in the background of my shaders, and let's see if I'm wrong or right. So I'll make notes as well. Where is sticky notes? Over here. So we are going to create a new, well, let's delete over here. Shaders programming. programming. Games and try to explain it. You people was wondering maybe why I'm doing YouTube. I just want to, memorize all my learning. That's why I'm doing YouTube. FRESNEL. What is it? First now. I'll do it. For now. For now effect. So yeah, she was actually talking about something called for now, and for now is more like a outliner thing, but it's not outline. She actually explicitly said that. For now is more like if I can show you this. Uh, for now is these stuff over here, like here. If you can see over here, like these glowing stuff over the hand, the object which are facing towards the camera, it's going to look darker, and the object which are not facing to the camera are actually glowing little bit lighter than the object actually facing towards the camera. So these are actually Fresnel's effects. Actually, she actually said like these are not highlights, these are Fresnel effects. So as you can see, there are some shaders over here as well. Like when this bubble actually collide with the ground, it is actually created a Fresnel effect over here as well. Fresnel. For now, not lens effects. Themes. Games. A computer graphics technique where the reflectivity and color of the surface change based on viewing angle, as I told you. It is based on viewing angle. Okay, got it. Yeah, I've been learning Japanese as well, guys. So for Japanese, I've been learning it for since 4 years, but yeah, I've learned kanji recently. I've started learning more like practicing. Black and white. Mm-hmm. Quad. These are also for now, so what? Uh, I would suggest, yeah, this will be it for today. Mm, we have actually completed till the introduction section. Should we actually complete the case study, or is it actually? Let's continue and let's finish it. Mm, mm, I was actually thinking of something. True. She actually explains it a lot way, she actually saying like satyrs actually sits between a really complicated terminology because it is very artistic, for instance. Yeah, it is very artistic as well, but it is also really technical as well. So satyrs are actually artistically technical, whereas so this is the more like a very low level program for a front end. You're actually programming in assembly language to develop web page, something like that. Can you imagine that? So yeah, shaders is more like that. Oh, that's really good. This is thing I was talking about, mesh colliders. Oh. Oh my God. So, when you have really, really steep angle looking into an object, it become really reflective. But in some point of time, you really need to opt the smooth object. Like if you hold a rock, you cannot see those reflection into those rock, your finger reflection or something like that. But if you're holding a glass or something like that, you can definitely see some reflection into the glass. That's Fresnel effect. So, oh my God, C is actually really good at giving examples. So, yep, she's actually showing a Fresnel effect example over here. Like at a surface, you're looking into this water, right? At a very steep surface, and you can see the actually reflection into these waters, and water is actually a smooth surface. So these are Fresnel effects he's talking about. So yep, I think today this is it for today. And we can continue programming the shaders tomorrow. Today was the introduction section, so I couldn't do really much about it. So tomorrow is going to be the shaders one. So tomorrow we are going to do some practical stuff as well as I'm going to take some screenshots for the games as well, and try to explain it to you guys so I can get better in shaders. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, then. Sayonara.